Hi, and today we're going to be practicing the G minor chord, and the chord chart if you want to look to go that goes along with this is this one right here. It says practice G minor chord at the top. So go ahead and pause the video, grab your chart, and then come on back. We'll start in a few seconds. Okay. So as you see on the chart, it has 4 lines, but we're only going to do the first 3. So I wrote the first 3 on the board. I also wrote the G minor chord, in case you forgot how to make it, and the D major chord, just in case you forgot. I'm going to assume that you already all know how to make the G chord, the regular G chord. Okay, so once again, G minor chord, here's your fingering. And your D chord, here's your fingering. Remember, we're doing the fingering with the 2, 3, and 4 fingers. If you need to do a chord cog exercise for these chords before we start this exercise, you want to stop the video now and run through these chords with a chord cog exercise, making sure that you can move and transition between each and every chord relatively smoothly, okay? And we're doing the practice G minor chord exercise, so go ahead and get that chart, okay? So we're going to start off by just doing the first line, okay? Then we're going to stop, and then we're going to come back and we're going to do all 3 lines, okay? So go ahead and tune your ukulele at this time if it's not tuned, and then we'll check the tuning together. Okay, here we go. G, C, E, A. Please make sure that your ukulele is in tune. Okay. Once again, the G minor chord. Okay, if you want to pause the video, G minor chord. And the D chord. If you want to pause the video, D minor chord. I'm using my 2nd, 3rd, and 4th fingers. Right, they're all on the 2nd fret. Okay. If you need to pause the video and do some review on that, we'll be starting in a few seconds. Okay. Oh, another thing. If you need to write this down, pause the video and write it down, and then we'll get started here in about a sec. Okay, so we're going to do the first line first. G minor, G minor, G minor, G minor, and then a D. Okay? So, get your G minor chord ready. We're doing an up and down strum. Okay? There we go. About this speed. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. G minor, G minor, 3, D, and stop. Okay, good. Now, if you want to do that again, please back up the tutorial just a little bit. Do that line again, and if you're ready to move on, we're going to do the first 3 lines on your practice sheet. So practice sheet, practice G minor chord. Now the goal is to do all 4 lines non-stop, consecutively, and smoothly. But for today, we're just going to do the first 3, just the first 3. Okay. So, and we're going to do the first 3 non-stop and as smooth as possible. Okay, here we go. First 3 lines, starting with the G minor chord. Maybe I'll go just a little bit slower. Here we go. A little bit slower. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. G minor. 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3. D, 1, 2, 3. G, 2, 3. G minor, G minor, 4, or 2, G, 1, 2, G minor, G minor, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Okay, how was that? Not too bad? Well, if you need to back up the tutorial and try it again, by all means, please do so. You want to be able to do this pretty smoothly, okay? Next couple of lessons is going to be dealing with the G minor chord and changes, so we're working on getting the changes really smooth, okay? So when you're ready, we'll see you for the next lesson.